Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from faysfood.com, and today I'm coming to you with another easy recipe, this time for lemon curd, a great summertime snack all on its own with fresh fruit over ice cream or in a tart. I'm going to show you how to make it. So in a medium or large size bowl, you want to combine some room temperature whole eggs, egg yolks, lemon juice, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. Once you combine that all together, you go ahead and set it to the side. And now I'm going to go ahead and pour in the gelatin into the cold water. I'm using halal beef gelatin. You can use regular gelatin, the halal gelatin, agar-agar, cornstarch, or you can leave the thickener out altogether. Of course, the curd won't be as thick if you do that. So the next step is we're going to go ahead and place the bowl over a pot of simmering water. This is called double boiler. We're going to whisk this until it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This took me about 5 to 10 minutes, but really a thermometer is definitely the best way to tell. So you want to whisk this constantly until it reaches temperature. And once it does reach temperature, you take it off the heat. And then you immediately place the gelatin in there, if you're using it. If you were using cornstarch instead, you would do this during the cooking process. So anyways, now we have the gelatin dissolved in there. We're going to go ahead and add a couple pieces of butter at a time. And really you just whisk this until all the butter is in there and it's completely smooth. The thing about lemon curd is it's so delicious. You can make it as tart as you'd like, and it holds pretty well in the freezer as well, up to a month in the freezer, and then you can thaw it out and use it. It's also very versatile, like I said in the beginning. So anyways, once you add all the butter in, this is what it's going to look like. You can see it's very thin, completely normal. We're going to pour it through a strainer. And I love using mason jars to hold these, but you can use whatever container you'd like. And you can see the strainer caught all the yucky cooked egg. We don't want that in the lemon curd. Okay, so this is what it looks like after it's strained. Okay, and what I actually like to do, you don't have to do this part, but I do. I just skim the foam from the top. Kind of gives it a clearer curd, so that's what I do. I leave it to cool for about maybe 15-20 minutes, and then I cover it, and then you refrigerate it. And really it's the best day of, but it will last up to a week in the fridge. You can see the next day it thickens beautifully. It really thickened after a few hours as well. But you can see big difference. Like it thickens up like crazy in the fridge. Or as it cools, I should say. But yeah, if you wanted it this thick, you can enjoy it like this. If you wanted it thinner, you can just give it a stir in its current state. So for the full recipe, go to faysfood.com, like this video, comment below for any comments or questions, and definitely subscribe to this channel for more great videos on the way. And until next time, guys, you have a wonderful day.
I'm just trying to make this money. I ain't trying to share with the team. Girl, I ain't trying to take nothing from you.